now welcome back out of the night show. My name is our landlord not here. Our tenant first son, I I'm making hair black. Person with them pour acid. Now maybe the only legit person where they here. What's up? Which one they walk about? Our guest. Now others put they say, no, you put it say, I am condemn. For our street. I am condemn. Now first son.
Oh, you know, no, you say, you're not going to care for that kind of business. So now generation something.
Others I am with us boy. I am condemn. Now first son.
Meanwhile, it's supposed to be condemned. Oh my God.
Welcome. You just a swing check. Let's say you not play when you small.
No, I play small. But I know to play. I don't play like I supposed to play.
You cannot sit down in one place. I think that's the problem.
You play this play, you know I'm. Wait. You don't come spoil like
now. Play.
My mother told me that she will buy me an lolly
if I'm a good girl.
So you know this.
So you know my brother. I said that woman play. My brother, you like yourself.
Girls didn't play that.
You like.
You know, they say I used to dance like a woman.
They say, my son or something. For MTL Project Fame, you got one guy. See what the guy do?
They say I used to.
I don't know. They say I used to dance like a woman. But I keep telling them I am a man. The guy can't dance. Easy play song for me. I don't forget to dance again.
You do like this.
No.
You do like this.
Guys.
That's how the guy does.
He does so body.
If you like to make a go slap away, anyway, Julius Ephraim, welcome on top of the night show. How you doing? How is your ministry?
The ministry is moving to the permanent.
Hallelujah, somebody.
Amen.
You be tailor?
No, but I get tailor.
You get tailor?
Yes.
No wonder I see what they arrange. What did I Ajayi there right there?
SJ.
What be SJ?
That's my name.
But your name now Julius Ephraim now.
AKA SJ.
What it come be the SJ?
SJ is the short form and the artistic name for Julius Ephraim.
Yeah, my brother, where SJ for? Where last one they killing herself. SJ. They say
no be JE.
No be JE.
JE na my name. Julius Ephraim. SJ na the name why they use when they work.
So what be the meaning of SJ now?
When you not be artist, when you are not a singing somebody.
Sir J.
How you think?
Oh, Sir J. Yeah, Julius now.
Okay.
Sir J. Oh, SJ.
Maybe in the sing part time.
You dey sing?
Maybe in the sing.
Sing one song one sing one.
When money no day. I don't sing.
My brother, not try
I don't sing.
My brother, not try enter music. Don't try.
No, now we supposed to be judge.
Not try. Okay, nothing happening.
Yeah, audition.
Come and stand here.
Come and stand here.
Audition. So we be judge.
So tell us your name. Okay, you're welcome. Face the camera.
Please
so
tell your name.
Say your name.
And
say
where
your name.
you are from.
Where you're from.
Good evening. My name is Julius and Ephraim, and they call me SJ.
Okay, so what do you want to perform to us now? The panel of judges.
I want to perform a song called...
My brother, you don't even know the song you want to perform.
Are you sure this is what you want to do?
Sorry, I still know. Just hold on.
It's like your iron condemned spirit is entering you.
For the first time I met you, girl, you know that song?
No. I'm sorry.
No, for me, he said no.
Yes, I don't think.
What is it for you?
I don't think you're
What is it for you?
No.
My brother, I don't think you're ready for this song.
Yeah.
Get out of the studio.
Let me sing.
Get
first
out.
now.
Security.
If me, you and Izzy be the judge.
My brother, if I be judged for this thing, plenty people then go hate me. They go wait for me with gun past side. Anyway, Sir Ephraim, welcome. Sir J, welcome to the show.
Thank you.
Sir J, in case you don't know, the guy is a cinematographer.
In other words, ask him what he mean.
In other words, what do you mean?
What he mean?
Cinematographer. Now the guy where they handle camera.
So na cameraman.
Na cameraman na.
So na cameraman na you be.
The difference dey.
So what mean the difference?
Bam.
Cinema.
What mean cinema?
The person fit handle camera.
Okay.
But person no get knowledge of cinematography.
Wait,
my
brother. All this when they carry VHS camera, they move. Not be cinematographer, they
cinematographer. Some of them are cameraman.
So what's be different? So on a whole camera, the same thing.
Cinematographer and a person who sabi tell stories with pictures and lights.
So cameraman na who?
You the call camera. He say na camera. Na he own. Be that. So now make can be cinematographer.
But not the same thing.
Not the same thing. So he in the theater, as in they are now.
Yes.
If he snap, chakam, he could talk story with him.
Okay, be like who go say no, you are a thief. Say no, I'm robber.
No.
The same thing.
Yes.
Not be the same.
My brother, don't confuse. Now our understanding.
Now you're the same thing.
I don't know. Now our understanding.
Anyway, people watch one of the trailers of the movie when they be saying.
In other words, in they do film.
SJ Chukan for inside and many say in they do film is a film doist.
Yes.
He has a film doer. A film doer. He has a can do spirit.
Yes.
When it comes to film. Book watch them when they come back.
To enjoy more of these our Ogbonge videos when you just watch, press this button to subscribe on top of our YouTube page. You go love her.